Hey guys, today, let's learn how to get your TikTok Wrapped in 2023. So if you guys want to go ahead and have this TikTok Wrapped feature on your device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to have this on your end. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so here in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys everything you need to know on how you guys could have this on your own. So what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Now, it's tap one of our profiles on the lower corner. Next, once we're already here, what I want you guys to tap on is of course the privacy and settings page located on the three lines right here. So tap on your three lines and tap on settings and privacy. I want you to scroll down onto your TikTok account. So tap on account right here, and I want you to request a copy of your data from your profile. So tap on download your data. Make sure of course your file format is on JSON, and of course, gotta make sure as well that you're over on your profile. But if you want to tap on only your profile, let's try that on download data. As you see, we already have these requests available here. But of course, let's go back on request data and request a copy of these information and adjacent file and tap on request data. And once this is done, of course, this is gonna start its processing, and there will be a specific date on when this specific file will be sent to us. But you do just need to go ahead and just check this from time to time. There will be a specific date right here, which actually says that it may take up to 4 days until the specific file will be sent to us. But once that is done, all we need to do is to tap on this specific file, open the file, and I want you to go onto the Wrapped for TikTok website and proceed onto there. Basically, what you need to do from here is to go ahead and enter your data. So what I'm talking about is, once you have already your file right here, I want you to hop onto Safari, and I want you to search for the website called wrapped.vants. So just go ahead and copy the spelling Vanti, ZZEN, or vantizen.io. Go ahead and launch the website. And what I want you to do is to go ahead and tap on I have my TikTok data export. Let's go, and what this is gonna do is it's gonna go ahead and convert the TikTok data that you have just requested into, of course, your TikTok wrapped out. But once that is done, of course, tap on this, upload the file, as you see here, and then wait for this process to be done. And there you have it. That's how you guys can get your own Wrapped for TikTok on your device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.